If you think about it, what are the things that you're chasing right now? Maybe it's having an amazing and sexy body, maybe you're chasing that promotion at work, or maybe you are pursuing the business of your dreams. Regardless of what it is, the truth is that the things you chase are the things you want. The same principle applies to women and dating. If you want women to chase you, you need to be what they want, and they want an attractive man. The truth of life is that you attract who you are. If you want attractive women to chase you, you must be an attractive man. Sounds fair, right? The pillars to be an attractive man are the following. First, develop a high self-esteem and respect yourself. 2. Be as physically attractive as possible. Lose the extra weight, get in shape, and dress sharp. 3. Be productive. You can get a job, start a business, or study. Now that you're an attractive man, it's time for the chase to begin. If you want a woman to chase you, she needs to have your phone number or Instagram. My favorite way to do this is to ask the woman I like for her phone number and immediately send her a text. While I am saving her phone number, I tell her, "Hey, I'll send you a text so you have my phone number." The reason I do this is because she might text me first. In fact, many girls have texted me first because of this simple strategy. The next step is to take her out on a date. Take her to a quiet place where you can talk and get to know each other and flirt at the same time. If you want a girl to chase you, she must think about you, and that's why I highly suggest you let her do most of the talking during the date. The easiest way to do this is to show a sincere interest in getting to know her by asking her personal questions. You can ask her what she likes to do for fun, or what's one of her favorite memories from her childhood, or maybe what would she love to accomplish in the next 5 years. Make sure to only talk about positive topics and avoid controversial ones like religion and politics. Guys, and if you want to be super attractive, I highly suggest you try Tish Henley, which happens to be today's video sponsor.
They have helped me start and maintain my skincare routine by making the entire process uncomplicated.
Honestly, Tish Henley is the best skincare system for guys like you and me.
I recommend you start with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics. A daily face wash to get rid of the dirt and grime on your skin. A 2 times per week exfoliating scrub to get rid of dead skin cells. An AM moisturizer with a sun protection factor of 20 because you should always be protecting your skin from the sun. And a PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. My favorite part about Tish Henley is that every box comes with an instruction card that tells you when to use each product, how much to use, and in what order.
They really make the process of achieving and maintaining amazing skin super easy.
I've been using their products for a while now and I'm hooked. It might sound weird, but I look forward to my morning and evening routines because I just feel amazing and more confident after using their products.
In addition to amazing skin, members of Tish Henley get tons of benefits, including 20% off retail price, the ability to customize their box, pause or cancel their box at any time, and free US shipping and a very low cost shipping to most other countries. And because Tish Henley is sponsoring today's video, they have an amazing deal for you. Simply click the first link in the description and you're going to get 30% off your first box of Tish Henley plus a free gift. So guys, make sure to click that link right now and get started with Tish Henley. These serves 2 purposes. First, she'll wonder about you, because by taking a sincere interest in her, she'll appreciate you, and since you barely spoke, she'll want to know more about you. Second, you'll have lots of information about her to decide whether you like her or not. Now that you've gone out on a date, it's time to give her space. If you want women to chase you, then the worst thing you can do, especially in the beginning, is to always text her or react to her Instagram stories or constantly call her. The secret to get a woman to chase you is in giving her the space to miss you and think about you. That's why I highly suggest you use WhatsApp, Instagram, and text messages only to set dates. Once you've set the date, get off the phone. Don't use your phone to get to know the woman you like or to send her memes to make her laugh. Don't do it. Why? Because in the long run, texting is boring, and that's the last emotion you want her to associate with you. In the beginning, text her only once per week to arrange a date, time, and place to get together in person. You'll see that as the weeks go by, she'll start texting you first, she'll start chasing you. And what do you do from here? Set more dates to get together in person. You'll no longer need to text her first because she will be chasing you. The key to getting women to chase you is to be your best version. Take a sincere interest in them and giving them space to think about you and miss you. I want to thank Tish Henley for sponsoring today's video. I strongly believe that their products are amazing and the deal that they are offering you is amazing as well. So make sure to click that link in the description right now and get started today with Tish Henley.